guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing wonderful. So as you can see guys, today I cook pork. I wanted to make tinga with the chicken. So since I didn't have the chicken in my house, I do with what I have. I use the same recipe I use for tinga with the chicken. So this recipe is coming from Michoacan, one of my good friends, Alejandra from Michoacan. She teach me how to cook some of the Mexican food. So guys, and she saved my life because each time I want to eat Mexican food, and I think like I don't have the budget to go to the restaurant, and I have everything in my house, so why not make it, and so we can all enjoy it in my house. And guys, the smell of this food in the house, oh gosh, it was even though you were sleeping, you wake up to try to eat the food. It was smelling so good. My daughter even come inside the house. She was like outside. She's like, Mama, I smell something. I'm like, that smells so good. Who's cooking that food? And the more I'm approaching to the door, the more the smell was coming to my nose. It smells so good. So even my son, he's like, I wanna eat. I say, wait. As you guys can see, I'm serving him the food. Everything is hot. So as soon as I start cooking, I will not finish to put the stuff on the table. My family will be around of me to try. As you guys can see the previous video, my husband come to try the food because it smells so good and it tastes so good. I hope you guys trying my recipe. It's very easy. Anyone can make it. Okay, nothing is complicated. Anyone can. It's healthy for you guys. So I finished to serve my son. I finished to serve myself just to show you guys how it was looking, how tasty it was tasting in my mouth. Delicious. For more recipe, don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video guys, and I hope you guys you are enjoying everything I'm putting. God bless you. See you next time. Bye y'all.